In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use keyframes in CapCut PC. If you've ever wanted graphics to slide across the screen, create a custom zoom, or manually animate a clip, keyframes are the foundation. Think of a keyframe as a digital marker that locks in a specific value, like position, size, or opacity, at an exact moment. In CapCut, any control with a small diamond icon next to it can be animated. That diamond is your signal that the setting can change over time, and CapCut will smoothly calculate everything that happens between your markers. Let's walk through a simple but powerful example, a smooth fade in. Start by dragging the vertical playhead to the very beginning of your clip. Then, look to the top right of your screen for the Properties panel. Under Video, open Basic, and find the opacity control. You'll see that small diamond icon next to it. Click the diamond so it turns blue. That click just created your first keyframe at the current time, and it tells CapCut to remember whatever the opacity value is right here. Now, slide the opacity all the way down to 0%. At this point in time, the clip is fully transparent. Next, move the playhead forward exactly 2 seconds. Head back to the same opacity control and drag it up to 100%. When you change the value at a new time, CapCut automatically drops a second keyframe on your timeline. You don't have to place it manually. The app recognizes that you're setting a new target value at a new moment. Go ahead and press play. Between the first marker at 0% and the second at 100%, CapCut interpolates the values. Basically, it does the math frame by frame to create a clean, consistent fade. 2 seconds gives you a gentle ramp in. That timing is a great starting point for intros, text reveals, or any clip that needs a polished entrance. Once you understand this flow, set a keyframe, change a value, move in time, set another, everything else falls into place. The same principle works for position, scale, rotation, and more. Any setting with that diamond icon can be animated using the exact process you just learned. Master keyframes once, and you can animate absolutely any movement or effect on your timeline layout. You're all set, done.